Riza, come on up. Riza, you're charged with assault of a family member. You're facing up to a year in jail and or a $4,000 fine. We're going to do probable cause. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You have the right to have an attorney present. If you cannot afford one, one will be appointed to you, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay.
On March 9th, 2025 in Harris County, Texas, officers were dispatched to a suspicious person call. Officer met with the witness who stated that the defendant was looking for her children and was at a nearby residence. The officer then made contact with the complainant at the residence, who stated the defendant had been intoxicated at a family gathering earlier, and they began to argue at home before the defendant assaulted the complainant. The defendant admitted to striking the complainant with the television. The officer noted the complainant to be bleeding from his face. The complainant is her ex-husband.
Okay. Ma'am, I'm going to find that there's probable cause to go forward with the case. I'm ordering you now as a condition of your bond not to consume alcohol, illegal drugs, unprescribed controlled medication. I'm going to randomly test you.
Okay.
If I find that you're consuming alcohol or illegal drugs, I will revoke your bond, put you in jail. No more PR bonds.
Okay.
Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
I'm also ordering you as a condition of your bond not to have any contact with this complaining witness and not to be in possession of any weapons. Do you see a protective order that has been issued in this?
It needs to be, outside.
Okay, ma'am, I'm issuing now what's called a magistrate's order for emergency protection that identifies Mr. Roberto Baron as a protected individual. You cannot commit family violence or an assault against this person. Commit an act in furtherance of an offense under section 42.072 of the Texas Penal Code, which is the stalking statute. Stalk, threaten, harass, use another person to communicate a threat or harassing behavior. You cannot be in possession of a weapon or go within 200 feet of where he lives or where he works. Do you understand?
Yes.
If you violate this court order, the state can and probably will file a violation of protective order. That is one of the worst cases you can pick up. Just don't have any contact. Don't use alcohol, any dope. You'll be fine.
Okay.
Just, I'm going to protect my city at all costs. And if that means putting you in, I'm going to do it in a heartbeat.
Okay.
Now, do you have the ability to hire a lawyer, ma'am?
No.
Do you work?
Yes.
Okay, you work full time?
Yes.
Okay, I'll have you fill out an application. Do you have any children?
I have 3.
Okay, I'll have you fill out an application. Let me take a look at it to see whether you qualify and then we'll talk. Do not leave until you sign our bond conditions though. Don't worry, because since you'll be monitored for no alcohol, we'll have Felicia do it. Okay, please.